We are sharpening some lawnmower blades today. This happens to be a Honda HRR. We've got it tipped over on the oil side because we're actually doing an oil change on it as well. I'm gonna do a separate video of that if you guys are interested in watching it. But this one specifically is just the lawnmower blade sharpened. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these off. You don't wanna undo the center bolt here. It's the two outside ones. It's a 14 millimeter. And you may need a block to actually pull these off because it wants to spin. What we can do is we'll throw a 2x4 in there and then we'll get these blades pulled off. We're just essentially gonna spin this around until we hit that 2x4 and then we'll go ahead and pull them off. If you guys wanted to use an impact for this, you could certainly do that. Pretty simple, just kind of pull these off. This mower uses a multi-blade system, so there's two blades and they're stacked. Supposedly it helps with the lift to actually pull the grass off the lawn and get it into the bag properly. You want to take into account which blade goes where. The fatter cutting blade goes on the bottom. If you haven't cleaned your deck in a while either, this is a good time to do that. I've just recently power washed it, so we're pretty good to go here. But the blades go just like this. You've got the actual cutting blade is going to be towards the ground, and then this blade stacks on top of it, and they kind of nest inside of each other here. So it actually hasn't been too long since this looks like it's been sharpened actually. I bought this on Marketplace used, and it actually has like a decent edge on it. Since they're off, we're going to go ahead and touch them up, but they're actually in pretty good shape. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and lock it into my vise here on my workbench. This is the way that I recommend to do it. Obviously, you could do it any way that you want to. We're actually just going to take the grinder and match the same exact profile that's on here before. Again, this has been done pretty recently, so we're not going to take a ton of material off. But we do want to basically just make that edge shiny again and make sure that it's sharp. And what you're really looking for is across the entire blade. You want to be able to see that your blade from your grinder is touching all the way across, and you don't want there to be a bunch of big jagged marks in here. After a couple times of sharpening, and depending on the conditions, you may actually have to replace your blades. But this is more or less what you're looking for, and you'll repeat the exact same process on the other side. Going back on, you're gonna do the exact opposite of what you did before. Remember, the cutting blade that we just sharpened goes on the bottom towards the grass, and the other blade goes on the top. It's kind of hard to mess this up because if you stack them like this, you can tell they don't stack that way. They only stack one way. So you're just gonna basically put them like that, and we'll go ahead and reinstall them. We're going to still need this, but it'll be going in the opposite direction this time. We'll go ahead and get the bolts started. On both sides, and we won't need that block of wood until the very end. Okay, so we'll go ahead and stick this back in there again. And I recommend looking up your torque spec for your specific gear mower, and you can go ahead and torque these bolts down as well. And that's it. That's how you install new or sharpened blades onto your mower. Make sure to pull that block of wood back out, and then you can get your mower tipped back on its wheels and you're good to go.